Hey, it is Karla Silver, and I am so excited to share with you what I have to share with you today. So I'm going to share in this video is all about how to create unlimited, but we're going to say 10, it could be 20 or 40 social media posts in less than, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It is a simple 6-step process that you can get done in 3 minutes if you want to, but it's going to take me 5 because I need to explain all of the different steps to you. We're going to be using my favorite AI tool, ChatGPT, and my favorite social media posting tool, and that is Canva. So how about we get going and start the countdown right now? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me, and of course, I'm very, very nice and polite to my chat partner here. And I'm going to say, please make a list of, I could say 10 or 20 or 40, but I'll just say 10 powerful quotes. Oops, I might want to spell that correctly. For women entrepreneurs. Boom. And then, of course, the miracle of ChatGPT is that he or she, mine doesn't have a name. I want to call her a she, though. She's going to kick out 10 quotes. Now, what I would do if I had more than 5 minutes would be to go through these and make sure that I like them all. But right now, for demonstration purposes only, I'm going to take these 10 quotes and I'm going to copy them. And then I'm going to go to a spreadsheet. Now, this can be sheets, it can be Excel, it can be Google Doc sheets, it could be whatever you want. I happen to be working with Excel, and then I'm just going to, it works for all of them. I'm just going to paste them. Whoops, sorry. I'm going to paste them directly into, all right, there we go. So these are small. I'm going to make those bigger so that you can see them. So if I had all the time in the world, I would go through and I'd get rid of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but I can do that on the back end. So I'm going to now save this, save as, and this, if you want to save as a CSV file. So all of your, whatever program you are using, you can save documents as all kinds of different documents. And we're going to save as a .csv only, none of this CSV Macintosh, not CSV DOS, just .csv. And that happens to be that one right there. I'm going to hit save. Fine, done. All right, next I'm going to go over to my very favorite social media posting creation tool, Canva. And I'm going to create, and in this case, I'm going to create an Instagram square post. Just for demonstration purposes, you can create any kind of post that you might want to. In this case, I'm going to pick an Instagram post. And so, well, this one's pretty fine. I'm just going to pick this one here. I'm going to make this, I know that there'll be lots more words, and that there are a lot more words in these quotes, right? Then will fit in this size font. So I'm going to make that a lot smaller. I can always change it later. Maybe no, that's too small. I'm going to make it like an 18, I think. Yeah. And I'm going to move it up. You'll see why in a second. And then I might put some personal branding on here, and I might just say, you might want to do this too. I'm going to put my Instagram handle. And Karla Silver. Perfect. Okay, got it. All right, so that looks funky, but don't worry about it. This is going to be a lot more words, so you want to give space for a lot more words. Okay, so what do you do now? How do you get all of those quotes into this Canva doc? Well, the cool thing is there's this thing here on the lower left-hand side called Bulk Create, and if you've never used Bulk Create before, you will find it in the apps section. Just go to apps and search for Bulk Create. But I've used it before because I'm here teaching you how to do it. So I'm going to go to Bulk Create. I'm going to upload a CSV file. I'm going to go to my desktop and look for quotes, which is what I saved that as. And I'm going to grab it. open it. Okay, now you can see the first quote here, right over on the left-hand side. You're going to want to click on where you want the quote to be, and then you're going to right click on that space and you'll say connect data. Connect data. Boom. It's connected the data. You can see your first quote is here. You're probably going to want to move that down. You might want to make some changes, right? Maybe make it like that. And then you hit continue, select all, and it's going to generate 10 more pages. That is it. That is it. So the first step is to go to ChatGPT, get your quotes. The second step is to copy them into the .csv file. The third step is to pick your template on ChatGPT and on Canva. The fourth step is to connect to your, edit it. The fourth step is to connect it. And the fifth step is to make the data do its work. So all you have to do now, right? These are a little bit smaller than I wanted them to be. So that's okay. I'm going to make these bigger. And you are done. Edit these however you want them to be. They're all here. Again, you could have had 40 of them. You could have 50 of them. You could have 100 of them, right? So that was super easy. And if you have to watch the video again a couple of times, I know that I had to watch a video a few times while I was doing it. Watch it over and over again so you get this. It really is uber easy, and it enables you to create content very, very quickly. There are so many other things that I can teach you, but I do want to mention this. If you are confused at all about how to create content, what the right content is to create for social media posts for your network marketing business that makes sales, that it helps you increase your visibility, that allows your prospects to get to know, like, and trust you, guess what? There is a formula. There is a formula that our clients and our students are following, and they are killing it on social. And I want to share the formula with you. It's called our social selling content strategy. And literally thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs have used this to rank up, make more money, have more time, and feel confident that they're on the right path with what they're sharing. I know that there are lots and lots of people out there sharing their content strategies, but so many people, I know that I work with people whose uplines, bless them, are teaching them strategies that worked 2 years ago, or worse, 5 years ago, or 10 years ago, and 11 years ago, telling them to go reach out to more people, make more reels just randomly, post engagement posts, and none of those things work on their own. It is an actual strategy that we teach you on 4 different kinds of posts that enable your prospects to get to know you, to get to like you, to get to trust you, and then of course buy from you. So if you like anything that you're hearing right now, I want to share with you that social selling content strategy. It is normally $97, but shh, on this video, if you click below, we have it available for $7. And so I urge you to click and check it out. You will not be disappointed. We also have so many success stories on that page. You can check them out as well. So I hope to see you inside of our social selling content strategy. At any rate, it's been my honor to serve you today. I'd love to hear about your results with our posting strategy here using ChatGPT and Canva. It's Karla Silver here. I have loved this quick video. Have an amazing day. I'll see you inside the social selling content strategy. Click below, click below.